Alright, so I'm in the cab of a Caterpillar 797, one of the biggest haul trucks in the world. I just wanted to show you guys. I just finished putting in our pressure sending module, so just gotta finish wiring now. So that is actually going to measure our cab pressure, and it's going to give us dynamic readout and of course dynamic operation of our ATC pressurizer. So that as we approach that point in the cab, we're actually going to ramp down the fan speed, and if somebody opens a window or a door, then we're going to ramp it up. And you guys will like this feature. We've gone and hidden our controllers in here, and so this is the rear panel behind the cab, and so we actually have our controller that's going to allow us to set the set point on the pressure of the cab for what we want. And we can also do diagnostics through there, so it's well protected and easy access for maintenance. And then there's also a data logger module, which we just need to stick in a USB, and it will download the data since the last time it was done. And of course, this unit is just mounted on magnets, so it doesn't affect the rocks at all. Pre-cleaner is going to spin off most of the dust before it hits the filter. And then when we look down here, this is where the old filter would have gone, and so now in this door, this is where we're going to hook up with our hose.